Let's create one more tutorial in FreeCAD. In this video, you'll learn to use revolution, hole, and polar pattern. So open the FreeCAD and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we will create this arc with 100 millimeters of radius. And the distance between this point here and this point is 125 millimeters. So open the FreeCAD, go to create a sketch, select the right plane, select the arc from center, click here in the midpoint. The radius here 100 millimeters. Make an arc here and go to constraints, horizontal, vertical, select this point and this point here. And go to dimension. The distance between these 2 points is 125 millimeters. And now we will create this tree line here. And the distance between this line here and the midpoint is 75/2. So select line. Make a line here. Make sure that this line is a vertical line and go to dimension. The distance between this line here and the midpoint is 75/2 and press OK. Now leave the sketch and go to Revolve. And the axis here, select the Y axis, angle 360 degrees and press OK. We made this one. Now we needed to create this hole, but to create this, we needed to create a plane here, and this plane will be tangent with this face, or we will make an offset plane with 100 millimeters of distance from the midpoint. So go to Datum Plane and show the origin here, select the top plane here, go to task again, and the Z direction 100 millimeters and press OK. Now select this new plane and go to create a sketch and select a point, make a point in the center and leave the sketch, go to hole, and the hole here we have the dimensions, the diameter 25 and 20 millimeters of diameter. So let's make this step by step. So the first thing, change the head type, select the contour body, and the diameter here 25, and the diameter here is 20 millimeters. The dip here 6.22 and the dip here 13 millimeters. So this dip here, the head dip 6.22, and here is the dip of the our hole here. So it will be 13 plus 6.22. And the angle here, we have 30 degrees here. So we have 60 degrees here. 60 by 60, 120 degrees. So the drill angle 120 degrees. And press OK. Hide this Datum Plane. And now we need to create more 4 holes. So we'll use the circular pattern to make this. So go to polar pattern. It is the same of circular pattern that has in the other CAD program. And here, transform two shapes. And click here in add features. Select this hole. And the axis here, select Y. And the occurrence is 5. And the length 360 degrees, and press OK. hide this origin. And here we finish our exercise. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.